For over 30 years, we have been supplying companies with solutions, technologies, and tailored ICT advice intended to optimize company performance and guaranteeing efficiency, control, and security. We are Infonet Solutions. To give more space, greater competence, and a greater territorial presence, we have expanded our ecosystem, organizing ourselves in 5 offices, which allow us to provide our services by using the Follow the Sun model, 24-hour assistance, 7 days a week, in Italian and English. To answer to the most complex needs of our clients, we have created rooms dedicated to highly qualified services such as a control room, a security room, a backup room, a governance room, and a cloud room. We are in Gorizia with Infonet 365. We have also a team of 100 highly qualified and certified people, which is also present in Auckland with Infonet Solutions New Zealand. We have offices in Chicago with Infonet Solutions Illinois. Wherever you may be, through us you can find the best solutions in the fields of IT, OT, and IoT cybersecurity solutions, hybrid converged infrastructure, and hybrid cloud managed services, IT governance, audits, and compliance to regulations and standards. We create bespoke projects tailored to our customers' needs. Our project procedures follow the processes of the ITIL model. We have also chosen to invest in training our resources and equipping ourselves with quality and safety management systems based on ISO 9001 and ISO 27001 regulations. Infonet Solutions. Evolve your business.